So, hello everybody, my name is Shreya Lokur. I have completed my bachelor's in mechanical engineering from KLE College of Engineering and Technology, Belgaum. I have passed out in the year 2019, and after I completed my engineering, I was in a plan to pursue my master's, that too in a technical field, so in the mechanical subject basically. And I had also applied for a couple of universities and received admissions from countries like Sweden and the USA. But then it so happened that due to the pandemic, I had to cancel my plan of pursuing my master's abroad. So after this, then I had no clue of what am I going to do in my career, because nobody actually knew of what are we going to face because of this pandemic. So where is the world going to head to and all that. So since it was all unclear, I also was in a dilemma as to what am I supposed to do, which field am I supposed to now work towards, or where am I supposed to take up a job, or what to do. So that was the time when my father introduced me to Srinivas sir, and I got to know that they conduct this psychometric test. So I said, why not try this? So the psychometric test really is a nice test because it covers it has questions that assesses your personality from all the dimensions. So after the test, we also had a counseling session with sir, and the session was very interactive. Sir gave us a very detailed result of my personality, and astonishingly the result was that my personality suits more for management field than the technical field. So what I was initially going to do pursuing my master's was a research kind of thing, so it was all technical background. But then the result of this test was that I best suit for management kind of fields. So in my case, it so happened that I took this test a little late, like almost after my graduation, and when I was partly working also. And now I know where I actually fit in and what is good for me to choose the career path. So according to me, I think students have to get this test done at an early age comparatively, maybe when they are in 10th or 12th, because that's the age when people have 2-3 fields in their mind, that I want to be a doctor, an engineer, something of that sort. So if they want to get a clear idea, it's better to get this kind of tests done at that particular age, because before you start your career, you know where you suit best. So I think more than 10th, 12th standard would be better, because by the time people are also, the students are also a little mature enough to answer the questions and all. So if they get this test done, then it would be good for their own career, because they will be doing the thing where they fit into properly. And I think Srinivas sir is the best person to guide you on this. So I recommend all of you to kindly take his guidance before you choose your career path. Thank you so much.